Hi and welcome back. This is the last video for the Bluemix Cloud Contest. We will use here the IBMData module to query and filter stored entities. So far, we have 2 stored entities. Let's try to fetch them using the queries and filters. We added 2 new routes. The first one, API list persons, will list all the people's names. The second one, API person name, will show all the details about the people having the same name as the one passed in the perimeter. Our search criteria will also be based on this perimeter. First, we create a query. We can specify that we want the query to return an object of a certain type, here, person. Then we create an empty array that will be filled with the results of the query. Next, we will execute the query by calling the method find and use a promise to get the results. Once the request processing is done, we do a loop over the results to add each person's name to our array. We just need to respond with the array and it's done. The good news is that the next route is almost covered by the code of the first one. So let's copy and paste the code we just wrote. The only thing we have to do is add a filter inside the find perimeter. In our case, we will use the perimeter name passed in the request call as a filter for the person. This time we will send the full object instead of the name by itself. Let's push our change and test it. As you can see, we will call the route API list persons. We will receive the list of people's names. We will now use the names in order to get the details of a person. And here it is, the full object that is stored inside mobile data, including object ID, creation date, attributes, and so on. If we change the name passed in the route perimeter, we can see that another object with different values is sent. This is the end of our tour on IBM Bluemix Cloud Contest. Check out the last associated exercise before starting the challenges. We hope you liked it. Good luck.